Two names, but one is far rarer than the other. Which one do you almost never hear? Every name has a rarity rank, from common to rare. The person marks the common end, the gem marks the rare end. Whichever name sits closer to the gem is the rarer one. Now spot the rarer name in each pair. Yes, that one is rare. Nice, sharp ear. Ooh, close, but you got it. Perfect last pair. Name Rarity is more than a game. It trains you to compare frequencies at a glance. It sharpens your sense of common versus rare, and it makes you quicker at reading the world around you. You can play this yourself for free. Scan the code to jump straight into the game, or just type PlayMemorize.com and play hundreds of free games that make your brain stronger.